Yeah, right now I'm at the Classic Run, and this is the conference hall of the this Classic Run located in Imphal West. And right now, the this interaction sections in between the candidates and various representative from the different organization is now going on, and this interaction sections just started from 1:30 p.m. to the afternoon. And I also want to mention that earlier on 4th of April, first episode of this interaction between the candidates of outer parliamentary constituency and various representatives from the different NGOs, civil society organizations taken place. And on that first episode, all the candidates, maximum number of candidates from the outer Manipur parliamentary constituency brought in by the Editors Guild Manipur. And this event is known as the Know Your Candidate. Is being organized by the Editors Guild Manipur, and today is the second episode. And in this episode, maximum number of candidates from the inner parliamentary Manipur constituency is bringing in, and will be given the chances, opportunity to interact with various civil society organization representative. And to know more on this, now I am joining by the Secretary General of Editors Guild Manipur, Rupachandra Yumnam. Sir, first of all, Rupada, I want to note that what is the idea behind this interaction? What is the idea behind this effort with this 2019 election?
The idea is very clear. What we have said is know your MP candidate. So we have got two constituencies in Manipur, the inner Manipur and the outer Manipur. We have had the first interaction on the 4th of this month with the outer Manipur candidates. Today we are having it with the inner Manipur candidate. Our effort is to provide a platform where even candidates without money will have a reach for the common people. Uh, we all talk about free and fair election without money, but there must be a platform which provides people without money access to the public. So here we have a lot of independent candidates who have no money but maybe having ideas, but platforms like this will give uh, good people who wants to join politics but doesn't have a political backing or doesn't have a political party, so that these people will also have access to the public platform. So this is one of the ideas that we are pursuing.
So in short, it's a kind of the completing, I mean, supporting, extending help to the motto of the Election Commission of India to make election free and fair.
Precisely. The Election Commission has been moving for a very free and fair election in all over India. But most of the time what we see is that because of muscle power and money power, many candidates are unable to reach the people they want to serve. So we are hoping to provide that platform.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, this is the effort from the Indigenous Guild Manipur that just to provide and to make understand the voters about their candidates, and this event will surely help the voters to choose right candidates. This is the idea from the Indigenous Guild Manipur, and they are just creating one platform where the candidates from the inner and outer will be in one place interacting with various civil society organization representative, and just trying to bring out the idea that election this voter voters do know to understand easily, and so that they can choose their right candidate. Right now I'm just joining again by the joint CEO who is Ramananda Nomoikapam. So Ramananda, how do you think this is the effort being put by the District Manipur? You are from the office of the CEO, you are the joint CEO. So how you feel?
I wholeheartedly appreciate the initiative taken up by Editors Guild Manipur, because there's just one such platform wherein the electors would be knowing the candidates. In fact, this is one of the most important initiatives, I would say, taken up by the Editors Guild Manipur, and this will definitely help the electors of Manipur across the state to take an informed choice. And therefore, I should appreciate this. And in fact, they should be taking up more initiatives like this.
So I think by creating this platform, the voters will easily find out their right candidates.
Yeah, yeah. So Actually, as a representative of the CEO's office, I would say that our office, the Office of Chief Electoral Officers Manipur, and the district election officers, I mean across the districts, they have taken up so much of awareness programs, but those programs were targeted to our voters to to participate in the electoral democracy. But this is one such initiative wherein people will be knowing their candidates. This will definitely help them to make an informed choice and to vote ethically. So this is a very good thing. I would appreciate this. Thank you so much.
Yeah, this is the representative from the CEO office, and himself is the joint CEO, CEO, Chief Electoral Office, Imphal West. And yeah, himself also, it is a very good initiative being taken by the Manipur, and this platform really will create an idea to the voters, and they also, voters will find out very easily while choosing their candidate during this 2019 election. With me is Dr. R.K. Ranjan, candidate of BJP in the inner Manipur parliamentary constituencies. Dr. Ranjan, so you have took part in this interactive session. You also had many questions from the various angle. What is your taking?
Actually, whatever I feel in my mind, that is the interest of the people of Manipur. So I am always trying to do positively in the interest of the people.
How do you think? What is your response that the digital skills is organizing such a interesting session?
It's a wonderful event, and it gives ample scope to express what I want to do and what the people's and what the state needs, that I have expressed freely, and that is the best the event for me.
Yeah, with video journalist Premananda, this is Sharat Chandra reporting for Northeast Live from Imphal. With me is the Dr. Nara, who is the CPI candidate in the inner Manipur parliamentary constituency. So today you had an interactive session organized by the district Manipur, and you had taken many questions from the various representatives of different organizations. So one of the most important issues agenda you are taking in case you are being elected, people voted in favor of you, and the people elected you as a MP from Manipur. What most important is the issue are we going to take?
You see, there are many issues. The burning issues. Now the people are unrest because of all these ongoing slaughter being posed by the ruling party. These issues are very, very pertinent. When if luck favors and if people vote for this seat, I will discharge my duties as per the confidence, because people have some confidence on me. I have forcefully fight for this cause, and without any compromise and with political determination, I will go ahead with and I will fight for the people of Manipur.
Thank you. With video journalist Premananda, this is Sharat Chandra reporting for Northeast Live from Imphal.